Welcome to your full body 30-day workout challenge. Exercise 1, body squats. Your feet are shoulder width apart and your toes point slightly outward. You squat down as comfortably as possible. Some of us can get lower than others. Keep your knees pointed outward. If you're using a dumbbell, keep that against your chest. If you're not, keep your arms out in front of your body, which keeps your body upright. Breathe as we go up and down. Well done. Next up, shoulder press. So your dumbbells are starting at your shoulders. You press the dumbbells up to straight arms while you're exhaling, lowering back to your shoulders. Brace your core as you go. Keep it nice, controlled movements up and down. Slow and controlled. Well done. Next is bent over row. Keep your back flat and parallel to the ground. Grip the dumbbell in your hand. Pull the dumbbell, driving the elbow towards the ceiling. In with control, up and back down. You complete the desired reps on one side, then you turn around on the other side and repeat. Excellent. And then we're doing a chest press. So you're laying on the ground with your knees bent. Dumbbells are at your chest and lift straight up and back down. Arms straight, back down to the floor. Arms straight, elbows to the ground. Nice, slow, controlled movement again. Up and down. Up and down. Well done. Last exercise is a plank. On the floor, you're leaning on your elbows, your feet are extended and you're on your toes. Keep your body braced, holding a straight line from head to feet. Hold that position as long as meant. Well done. We've made it to day 2. Once again, we're going to start with a shoulder press. Dumbbells at your shoulders. You're lifting them straight arms up and back down. Straight arms up, back down to shoulder. Remember to breathe. Up and down. Up and down. Doing well. That's fabulous. Great. It's a lateral raise. So the dumbbells by your side. You're going to raise your arms out horizontally and back down. Down to up, down to up, down, up, down. Nice, slow control. Down, up, down, up. Excellent work. Well done. Moving on to bicep curls. Arms in hand by your side. Bring them facing forward. Keep your arms by your body and in a slow upwards and downwards. Up to the shoulder and down. Up, down. Nice, slow, controlled movement. Up, down. Well done. This is for your triceps. So dumbbell above your head and reverse. Keep your upper arm still and you're only reversing the other part of your arm. Back, down, up. Nice slow movement. Try and keep your elbows close to your head. Up, back down. You'll feel a burn in your triceps. Fabulous. We're doing push-ups. I'm showing you 3 versions. Choose what suits you. This is an incline push-up. The higher the surface, the easier it is for you. Your hands are slightly wider than your shoulder. Lower your body up and back down. This is a knee push-up. Your knees are on the floor and you're only lowering the top part of your body. 2. And here, my body's vertical, horizontal, and on my toes, straight up and down. Choose what suits you best. Move on to the next day. Woohoo! Okay, we're doing body squats again. So keep your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing outward. Remember to hold that dumbbell against your chest if you're using one. Lower your body as low as comfortable. Keep those knees over your toes. Hands out front if you're not using a dumbbell. Up, down, up, down. Well done. This is known as an RDL. Standing upright, feet shoulder width apart. Brace your core, keep the dumbbells in front of your body. Hinge at your hip, pushing backwards like you're closing a door. Keep your dumbbells against your leg. Keep your back straight. Hinging at the hip. Up, straight down. Up, straight down. Doing well. Down. Up. Well done. Moving on to a lunge. Feet shoulder width apart. Lean forward, sinking as deep as possible. Back down. Your knee almost touching the ground. Your back knee. Down. Up. Back. Down. Up. Back. And you will do the other leg. Once do 10 reps on one leg, 10 reps on the next leg. Up, back, down, up, back. Okay, this is known as the glute bridge. Bring your heels close to your body, pushing your hips towards the ceiling and back down. Up and back down. Squeeze your glutes each time you go up and back down. Squeeze, down. Squeeze, down. Nice slow controlled movement. Squeeze and down. Up and down. Well done. Okay, next exercise is called a dead bug. Arms in the air, legs as possible shown. So lower one leg and the opposite arm to the ground. So each time the leg goes down, the opposite arm goes to the ground. 1, 2. Keep your core tight, your back to the ground. Doing well. Well done. And that's the end of that set of exercises. Well done. This is cardio core day. Elbow to knee crunches. Okay. Engaging your core, you lift your knee to the opposite arm. Do it as slow or as fast as comfortable. 1, 2, 1, 2. Well done. Good work. All right, once again, we're doing the dead bug. Opposite arm and leg to the floor. 1, 1, 1. Keep that core engaged. Keep your back flat against the floor. 1, 1. You're doing well. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Good work. Well done. On the floor, lean back slightly, knees bent. You can raise your feet slightly off the ground. You can use a weight or just your hands. You're twisting from side to side. A full body twist here. Engage your core as you're doing this. 1, 1, 1. Fabulous. As you can see, you're on your back, your arms out to the side. This is called the windshield wiper. So you're bringing your arms, your legs from side to side. Nice, slow, controlled movement here. 1, 1, 1. Fabulous for the core, this is. If it irritates your back, do not do it. Well done, and we've made it. Woohoo! Okay, full body exercise next. It's called squat to press. So dumbbell in your hand, up. So squat down, and as you raise, push your arms up. Down, up, back to starting position. Down, up. Lower yourself as low as possible, as comfortable. Keep your legs hip width or further apart, toes pointing outward, whatever's comfortable for you. Up, down, up. Well done. Fabulous exercise. Here we go again, another lateral raise. Out, horizontal and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And always rest between sets. Give yourself 30 to 60 seconds rest between each set. Well done. Okay, bicep exercise called the hammer curl. So keep your arms by your side and you're just lifting your arms up towards your shoulders and back down. Keep your arms nice and steady. Keep your elbows against your core. Fabulous. Now we're on to overhead triceps again. Keep that top part of your arm steady, elbows as close to your head as possible. This is excellent for your triceps. Up, down. Nice, slow, steady work here. Fabulous. This is called the fire hydrant, so you're on all fours, keep your core braced, and just lift your leg to the side as high as possible. Fabulous for the glutes. Do 10 on one side, and then we'll do 10 on the other side. Nice, slow, controlled movement here. Only moving the legs, as you can see. And you've done it. Excellent work. Congratulations. Woo hoo hoo.